Looking for a portable air conditioner to beat the heat? Today, we're reviewing the BLACK+DECKER Pack 08WT, a 9000 BTU unit that promises cooling, fan, and dehumidifier functions. Check the link in the description for the best price. This unit aims to be a flexible solution for personal comfort in various rooms. We assess how this portable AC performs in various cooling and dehumidifying tasks. It's well-suited for bedroom cooling, providing effective temperature reduction for personal comfort. This portable AC can effectively cool a home office, helping you stay focused throughout the workday. Its dehumidifying function helps, but it's not as robust as a standalone dehumidifier in very humid conditions. For larger rooms, its single-hose design means it struggles to achieve optimal cooling effectively. This unit excels at targeted cooling for bedrooms or home offices, and its remote helps maintain. We look at the features and brand against the current asking price. For the price, you get cooling, fan, and dehumidifier modes, offering good overall versatility. The BLACK+DECKER brand brings a level of trust and recognition that many buyers value. While functional, some competing portable ACs offer more efficient dual-hose designs or inverter technology. This unit becomes a more compelling purchase when found with a discount or promotional offer. Brand recognition and a complete window kit add value, especially when this unit is found on. We highlight the key concerns buyers should be aware of before purchasing. The build quality seems robust enough for everyday use, providing a sense of durability. Buyers can generally expect reliable performance from a brand like BLACK+DECKER. The availability of customer support and warranty services from an established brand is a plus. Without app dependency, there are fewer concerns about software glitches or compatibility issues. The primary risks revolve around the accuracy of cooling claims and ensuring proper installation for optimal. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER portable air conditioner is a practical choice for buyers needing movable cooling in smaller spaces like bedrooms or home offices. Its established brand and 3-in-1 functionality are strong points.